Embroidery is a wonderful art form that can bring so much pleasure, firstly to the stitcher during the making process and also to those who see the finished piece. At the Royal School of Needlework, we're dedicated to preserving the traditions of hand embroidery and making the skills and techniques accessible to everyone through our world-leading teaching programme. I'm Heather Lewis, a tutor here at the Royal School of Needlework. In this course we'll work through a simple design to introduce you to the techniques used for box making. It's a perfect way to showcase your embroidery skills and create a beautiful box that you can be proud of. During the course we'll look at the techniques and materials needed to create a charming fabric covered box by hand, then we'll add a decorative detail to the lid. As you progress through the lessons, we'll create this traditional design together, giving you hands-on practice with enjoyable embroidery techniques. During the course you'll learn about box making and uses for boxes, a variety of box making techniques including covering the card with fabric, assembling the box and stitching the pieces together, and adding a false floor for extra storage. We'll also look at some traditional embroidery stitches to decorate the lid. Through exclusive videos and step-by-step instructions, you'll create your own handmade box and discover my methods and tips for getting the very best results. Work at your own pace, watch these videos as often as you want, connect with other students in the private Facebook group and stitch along with the exclusive kit. So learn box making the RSN way and enrol now on this special introductory course.